Best places to visit in Queenstown, New Zealand are Lake Wakatipu. As the longest lake in New Zealand, this beautiful crystal clear glacial body of water shapes the layout and atmosphere of Queenstown. Skyline Queenstown. Perched high above the town, it offers 360-degree views of the Wakatipu Basin and peaks. Visitors can ride a scenic gondola climbing 450-meter up the mountainside to access a hub of activities. TSS Earnslaw. Visitors can board the historic coal-fired steamship built in 1912 that cruises across the lake. Coronet Peak. It is famous for its roller coaster terrain, beautiful panoramic views over the Wakatipu Basin, and its status as the oldest commercial ski field in New Zealand. Kawarau Gorge Suspension Bridge. This impressive 1880 structure stretching across the turquoise waters of the Kawarau River is famous as the historic birthplace of commercial bungee jumping. Kiwi Park, a family owned wildlife sanctuary dedicated to preserve native flora and fauna, especially the endangered species. Time Tripper, Queenstown Underwater Observatory, a unique family friendly indoor attraction which combines a cinematical historical experience with a live underwater viewing area located beneath Lake Wakatipu. iFLY Indoor Skydiving. It utilizes a state of the art vertical wind tunnel to create a smooth wall to wall cushion of air that allows you to fly, float, and spin without a parachute or plane. Ben Lomond Trek, one of the best hikes in Queenstown. It offers stunning 360-degree views from the summit. Fear Factory. It offers an interactive and thrilling horror experience as visitors walk through a dark maze like corridors. However, it is not recommended for weak heart people. Shotover Canyon Swing. Operating since 2002, it is one of the highest cliff jump and original canyon swing, offering a high dose of adrenaline and adventure. Odyssey Sensory Maze. It is an immersive indoor walkthrough attraction which is designed to challenge the mind and test senses through series of unique experiences. Deer Park Heights, Queenstown. It offers a unique blend of animal encounters, rich cinematic history, and beautiful panoramic views. Ziptrek Ecotours. It is a multi-line zip line adventure and ecotourism pioneer located on the forested slopes of Bob's Peak. Queenstown Gardens, a peaceful waterfront park with roses, trees, and beautiful views. Arrowtown, a historic gold mining village with charming heritage buildings, tree-lined streets, museums, and shopping area. Glenorchy, a scenic 45-minute drive from Queenstown along the lake, offers beautiful views. Glenorchy is a peaceful base for hikes, kayaking, and Lord of the Rings filming locations. Shotover River jet boating. Experience thrilling high-speed jet boat rides through narrow canyons with 360-degree spins. It's a signature Queenstown adrenaline activity. However, take care of your safety first. Queenstown Ice Arena, a premier indoor ice skating facility serving as an all weather attraction, offering ice skating, ice hockey, figure skating, and ice bumper cars. Game Over Queenstown, a premier indoor entertainment center which offers high energy activities for all ages, especially electric go karting and laser tag arena. Thank you for watching. See you in next video. Please subscribe.